How to use Klarna to buy Xbox. The Xbox gaming console has captured the hearts of gamers since its launch, with the Xbox Series X and Series S offering exceptional gaming experiences. Klarna's partnership with Microsoft brings convenience to buy these consoles. Using Klarna for Xbox. Options. Klarna offers buy now, play later for Xbox, ensuring flexible payment solutions. Ways to buy. Choose from Klarna's options. Klarna one-time card. Create a card via the Klarna app, make your Xbox purchase and pay interest-free later. Pay in 4. Split payments into 4 installments with the first due at checkout. Klarna financing. Apply for financing to pay monthly over 24 months. State to buy. Mobile. Download Klarna app, browse Microsoft Store and Xbox to cart. Checkout. Use Klarna for payment. Desktop. Go to Microsoft page, select Xbox and add Xbox to cart. Sign in to Microsoft account, use Klarna one-time card for payment. With Klarna's partnership, owning an Xbox is more attainable than ever. Choose your preferred payment method and enjoy the world of gaming without financial strain. So that's how to use Klarna to buy an Xbox, and thanks for watching.